Hi everyone, today I have a quick Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. This one is very precious, very special. It just arrived. I requested this 3 if not 4 months ago and it just arrived, so I'm super excited to unbox it together with you. This is definitely very special. I haven't seen anyone unbox one of these here on YouTube. I think I had a quick search and I didn't see any videos, so I think this might be the first one of these here on YouTube. So let's get started. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see my outfit of the days, how I style my new purchases. I would love to see you guys there, so come say hello. Okay, let's get started. By the way, if you can hear that sound in the background, this is my fan because it is really boiling in this room and I cannot film without the lights. And I have a balcony here. It is super sunny today and yeah, I need the fan because I won't be able to film the video otherwise. So I hope you don't mind that. Okay, back to Louis. Here is the box, and this was an online order, well, over the phone order. I tried to get this from a boutique, but it is completely sold out. I'm not even sure if they stocked it anywhere in any of the boutiques. It was a very limited piece, only for special clients. I'm not sure how I managed to get my hands on one of these, but it is here. So I requested this, it must have been 3 or 4 months ago, in advance for my birthday. So this was part of my birthday gift, and it came quite late, 2 months after my birthday, but hey, better late than never, right? So here it is. Let me unbox it quickly. I think this will be a quick unboxing, but I can't wait to see it and show you guys. Here it is, and here it is. Here's the little booklet. It is this absolutely exceptional Louis Vuitton Boîte Chapeau vase. Imagine this fell out of the box while I was revealing it and broke into pieces. So let me take it out carefully. And wow, isn't this precious? It is so tiny. I actually thought it would be bigger, but it is the exact same size as the Boîte Chapeau bag. It is an exact copy of the Boîte Chapeau. This is the exact size. It is adorable. It is white porcelain vase, and it has the classic monogram print all over it. Wow, the detailing is insane. There is a stamp on the bottom as well, saying Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Oh my god. Okay, I'm a bit speechless. I honestly didn't think I would ever be able to get this. You guys know how much I love home decor. I always browse on Instagram for home decor inspo, and I'm not very good at it, but I love browsing and seeing inspiration on Instagram. Actually, this I didn't see on Instagram. I saw this on the official Louis Vuitton website, but guess what? It was sold out. Of course it was sold out. So I don't mind investing in beautiful, exceptional pieces that make your home beautiful. I love staying at home. I'm a home person, so I love seeing these things in my home. They just make me so happy. Yeah, when I saw this, I really wanted it, and I saw it was sold out. I started browsing on Instagram. I didn't see many posts on Instagram either. I saw that there was another Louis Vuitton Speedy vase that they did a few seasons ago, I think. When I started my research on how to get one of these, I found that it is a very limited piece, and normally these are offered to just big clients. So I didn't expect I would get one. I emailed my essay. I have some essays at the boutiques, but I also have an online essay. It's funny how we got in contact. I think it must have been 2 years ago. I was inquiring about an item online, because when you go on the website, Some popular items are always sold out, and there is a phone you can call. They say call customer services to check for availability, to request one. So I did that, must have been 2 if not more than like maybe 3 years ago. So I called over the phone and I spoke to this lovely lady. She gave me her personal email, and whenever there is an item from Louis Vuitton that's super limited and sold out, I always email her and she requests the item for me and she finds me the item, always. There was only one item that she couldn't find, and it was the shearling Louis Vuitton slippers, these ones. I'll insert a picture. So everything else that I've requested, she found for me. So a few months before my birthday, I inquired about this and she said, well, I'll try my best to find this in time for your birthday. I can't guarantee. I'll put a request, but it is a very limited piece and it is not available anymore online either. It's not available in any of the boutiques in London or even Europe. So I was like, okay, that's fine. I will wait and hope for the best. And one day I received an email which I missed. In that email it says that you have 48 hours to purchase the item, that it came back in stock and there is one reserved for you and you can purchase it when you call customer services. I missed that email, I didn't see it. Then 4 days later I received a phone call, but I couldn't pick up because I was in a Zoom call from work. Then later on I checked the voicemail and it was from Louis Vuitton saying that they still have this for me on hold and I should call by the end of the day to buy it. So I called, it was right before closing time. I called and they said, oh, there must have been some mistake. We're not sure who called you and who left the message, but that piece has been allocated to another client because we usually hold the pieces for 48 hours only. So yeah. Unfortunately you can't buy it. I was so sad. I was like, but no, someone just called me earlier today saying that they still have the piece for me, can I please buy it? They were like, no. However, they did offer to put me on the waiting list again to request another one for me. They basically said, don't hold your breath, the wish list has been closed, it's a seasonal piece, we'll request one but it might not happen. So I hung up the phone and the next day they called me again. They were like, we have it. Are you ready to pay? I said yes, and I made the payment over the phone and a few days later it arrived and it is now here. So yeah, this is the story of how I got it and I can't believe I have it. You definitely see this more in the background here. I just need to buy flowers. I'm still not sure what flowers. I will definitely get 4 flowers because Yoshi loves eating, my cat. He loves eating flowers, so I'll just buy 4 flowers. And yeah, I can't wait to put this somewhere. I'll definitely use it for my videos in the background, but I might just display it somewhere next to my handbags. It is so perfect. Now I just think I need the real bag, the boîte chapeau. I can display them next to each other. That would be the cutest, wouldn't it? So yeah, this is the bag. I was just gonna say the bag, the vase. Here it is, and let me know what you guys think. Let me tell you the price. By the way, do you guys remember earlier I mentioned that Louis Vuitton released this in the speedy style? This is the latest one. This came out, I believe, end of last year. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, this is the newest one. The speedy was also much cheaper. This is a lot more. I'm not sure why. I have also seen a lot of fakes now on Instagram. I randomly found this American shop that does replicas of these vases, but they're definitely not the same. When you see the details up close, they're definitely a bit different. It's still with the monogram, but it is slightly bigger and chunkier, and it's not the same. So anyway, this is my receipt. I want to tell you the price. There is no price? Where is the receipt? Okay, I have the order confirmation email. So the price of this was £1,020. I know, insane. But it is so special, such a beautiful collector's piece, and I could not pass on this one. Plus, even if they had the Speedy, which I believe was about £350, again I'm not sure, but that's what I've heard and what I read online when I was doing my little research. Yeah, that one was much cheaper, I'm not sure why, but I would have still bought this one just because I love the Bois Chapeau more. You know that I'm not really a Speedy fan, but I do love the Bois Chapeau, so yeah, this is it. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's very special Louis Vuitton unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.